Once we're done doing an activity, you need to have the students clean their own heart rate monitor and have them clean the transmitter and the elastic strap. To clean it, I created a cleaning station that uses any color little hand towel. The solution is Simple Green. You can purchase that at Lowe's or Home Depot. And read the instructions on the container, and it'll tell you it takes very little, and you'll use very little liquid in the bottom of your pan. So the washcloth is soaked with Simple Green and water. Have them wipe the heart rate monitor. Have them then wipe the transmitter and the elastic strap. Have them return the colored towel to the dishpan. Using white, have them then dry the transmitter and dry the heart rate monitor. They can then return the transmitter and the heart rate monitor to its location. Again, colored towel is for washing, white is for only drying. That way the students don't mix them up. Colored ones for washing, white towel is for drying.